Hey, little heroes. Ever wonder what makes your hands magical? Washing your hands keeps those yucky germs away. Germs are tiny, invisible critters that can make you sick. But don't worry. With soap and water, you can zap them away. First, get your hands wet and lather up with soap. Sing happy birthday twice while scrubbing. That's the magic spell. Make sure to get between your fingers, under your nails, and even your wrists. Rinse off the bubbles and dry your hands with a clean towel. Ta-da! You've just defeated the germs. Remember, wash your hands before eating, after playing outside, and after using the bathroom. Stay healthy and keep those hands sparkling clean. You've got the power, kiddo.